Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for glass. H for house. I for iron. J for jug. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Thanks for watching. Bye.